Hi guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep video for this week. I'm gonna be making a chicken chili in my crock pot. It is delicious. I love soups and chilies, especially for lunch now that the weather is getting cooler. It is such a perfect lunch to have ready for the week. So I'm gonna make it in my crock pot. I will show you how. I'm gonna portion it into my mason jar so that it is ready to go for lunch for each day this week. So let's get this crock pot white chicken chili ready to go.
All right, I have all my ingredients here, except for my chicken, but I have ranch mix, chili mix, I use the mild one, heavy whipping cream, my better than bouillon to make chicken broth. I have kidney beans, great northern beans, onion, and then I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts for this. And it is really so good and so easy with simple ingredients. So I'm going to put my 2 chicken breasts in the crock pot. And I'm going to add in everything else. I have washed and drained the beans, and I'll add in the seasoning packets. And I'm going to use 4 cups of the chicken broth and 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream. And this will be ready to go. I like to cook it on low for 8 hours, so because I'm gone all day during the day, but you can also cook it on high for 4 hours as well. And then the chicken will be ready to shred, and this will be a perfect chili, so nice and filling. The ranch seasoning gives this such a good flavor, making it a really awesome white chicken chili.
All right, so this chicken chili is so good. It's all done. I'm going to portion it into my mason jars, which I love storing soup in. So this will be all portioned out and ready to go for the week.